Now let's take a look at the best way to clean the exterior of your van. This is much the same as washing and maintaining a car. Use a sponge, light broom with water and a good soap suited to washing. Make sure you only use a garden hose and not a high pressure hose, as this could damage the sealants on the Caravan. Now let's take a look at how to clean and maintain your windows. Windows should be cleaned by first washing them with warm water and a little bit of soap to remove all dirt. As all windows are double glazed acrylic, be careful about using everyday window cleaning products. Once you have a clean slate, you can start introducing other recommended products readily available from stores like Bunnings to bring it up to shine. Here's a couple that we can recommend. And remember to always read the directions for any cleaning products. And finally, a high quality hand polish will add a nice finish to your Caravan to keep it looking spick and span.